Standardization in wood construction. As we saw earlier, wood studs have defined sizes like 2 by 4 and 2 by 6. This is known as standardization in the industry, which means if you go to any retailer to buy lumber, he will have this available. It's very important because it helps fit everything together in a predictable manner and takes away the guesswork. It helps the manufacturer of the wood to produce products faster, the structural engineer to predict strengths, and the laborer to construct everything together like a pro without hassle. First thing, 2 by 4 is not exactly 2 by 4, it's half an inch shorter, which means it's actually 1.5 inch by 3.5 inch. It's a long history that we may dive into someday. Okay, so the next standard sizes are the height of these studs. These are based on common wall heights. The common wall height for a house is 8 feet. The other uncommon sizes available are 9 feet, 10 feet, and so on. Just like depths, the height of 8 feet is also not 8 feet, it's less. Why is that? It's done this way so that your overall wall height would be 8 feet. To break down, 8 feet is basically 96 inches, but the stud you get would be 92 and 5 by 8 inch. The top plate is then 1.5 inch, and a double plate would make the setup to be 3 inches. We also have a bottom plate of 1.5 inch. We end up with total length of 97 and 1/8 of an inch. Well, I know what you're wondering. We have now exceeded 96 inches. Yes, but let's keep going. The drywall at top will take around half an inch. And now we are left with 96 and 5 by 8 inches. The 5 by 8 inch at bottom allow us to have our finished floor and still maintain the 8 feet of overall ceiling height. And just like that, we have our 8 feet wall height finally, without any hassle on site due to standardization of lumber sizes. A similar pattern is followed for 9 feet, 10 feet walls, and so on in manufacturing. Now, the distance between these studs is kept either 12 inches, 16 inches, or 24 inches, based on how much stronger a wall is required. Here, 4 studs spaced at 12 inches will make 4 feet, 3 studs spaced at 16 inches will make 4 feet, and 2 studs spaced at 24 inches will make 4 feet of distance. This is also standardized in wood construction. But why, you ask? We will see that in a minute. Finally, the boards come in standard sizes of 4 feet by 8 feet for 8-foot wall, but also available in 4 by 9 feet, 4 by 10 feet, and so on. As you might have guessed, its actual size is less than that. But the difference is very small this time, and it's to allow for a bit of expansion. As you can see, this size fits perfectly to our wall height of 8 feet. And, as you can see, the 4 feet fits perfectly with the 4 feet of standard spacing of studs that we discussed earlier. If we install the board sideways, it fits perfectly again with its 8 feet size. And now the 2 boards will cover the 8 feet of wall height perfectly. Now, a question arises. What if we want more strength? Is there any thicker lumber available? Yes, but not easily, and it might be expensive to make. But to get more strength, we would rather play with standard cuts. We can make a double plate or triple plate by combining the lumber together. We can do the same for vertical walls. This is known as a stud pack. We can create headers like C-channel as shown. This concludes our learning for the standardization in the wood construction industry. To summarize, everything like stud sizes, layout spacing, and board dimensions are standardized in wood industry for efficient and predictable construction. Thank you for watching the video. Find more videos like this on the channel or visit our website for organized playlists.